How to calm an overactive mind in 1 minute? Our brain works in rhythms. When we think too much, those rhythms are speeding up. And when we're calm, they're slowing down. So the fastest way to guide your mind into a calmer state is through your breath. So let's try it together. Place your left hand over your belly. That's it. And now your right hand goes over your heart. Now inhale gently through your nose for about 4 seconds. That's it. And feel your belly rise beneath your left hand. And now exhale slowly for 8 seconds. And feel your heartbeat under your right hand as your body releases all the tension. And keep repeating these for a full minute, always making sure that your exhales are longer than your inhales. With each breath, your mind softens, your body relaxes, and your calm naturally returns.